Welcome! Today in front of me REALME GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here on the search bar type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just click to open this application. Here tap to yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap here to the OK button. And right now, as can you see, the health of your battery is good. Also you get here another information about your battery, that's like a level, the temperature, the model of your phone, the Android version, and more other information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.